It's iPhone launch day! Excited. I just showered and is getting ready right now. I'm gonna be leaving at 7 a.m. and it is 5:52, so we got an hour to get ready. Let's go! Oh my goodness, we're here! Oh my gosh. And these are the new crossbody straps. Oh, this is the orange. That's bright.
Scott, I'm seeing you did not add Apple yet. Are you at least getting a chance to see your options?
I'll think about it.
Options and then you knew
Yes,
there was some
yes.
available?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Enjoy it.
Yes.
Then you get back.
So I got it, guys.